VIM tip. So let's just say you have URLs, about 30 URLs, and you want to put them in an anchor tag. But there's a faster way to do and put all 30 of them in an anchor tag. So first thing first, you're going to do is Shift V, go to visual mode, Shift G to select all, and you will hit the column, and it's just going to select the entire range. And you will just type norm, I insert, and then you will just type A space href equals, and there you go, we have it href in the beginning. Now we just add the closing of the tag. So you do the same thing. First go to the top, Shift B, Shift G, colon, norm. Now we're gonna append at the end of the line. So I'll add the tags, closing tag, and I'll just name all the URLs hello and /a, and there you go. I'll just do WQ right quick, and let's cat the file, and there you go. We have all the URLs within an anchor tag. Thanks for watching.